Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see more on MySQL, that is second lesson in your MySQL topic. So under more on SQL we are going to see the following subtopics, that is recalling SQL select, order by class, and then ordering data on multiple columns and ordering data on the basis of an expression and specifying custom sort order, that is according to user's interest, user can specify the sorting order for the result set. Okay, so normally SQL select statement is used for displaying the view table, that is result table we can get from the SQL select statement, that is DML statement. Along with this SQL select we can use this order by class. We are going to check how this order by class is going to be used on multiple columns and then used on expression and used for custom sorting order. So with the help of some examples we will see how this order by class is going to be applied on these things. Okay, so first we will move on to the first topic, that is recalling SQL select order by class. So now we are going to recall how the order by class will produce the result for us. Okay, so the result set generated by the SQL select statement is not ordered in any form by default. So by default no, it will not be displaying any result data in a sorted order. So normally how we are applying query, according to that the result set will generated, so it is not going to be displayed in any sorted order. Okay, but if you want to sort or order the result set, we can use the order by class of SQL select. So we can go for, if you want to get the result set in a sorted order or if you want to order the result set, we can go for order by class of SQL select statement as per the following format. So this is the format or syntax on how to apply the SQL select statement order by class we will see. So select comma separated by select list, that means all the column names we need to mention here by separating commas. Okay, so that select list means column names, all the field names or column names or attribute names we need to mention here. Whichever field names we want to display, that names and all we can give here. If we want to display all the column names, we can give star symbol. Okay, so from which table, the table name we need to mention here, and then where condition, where class along with that condition based results if we want to get, we can give the condition here. Okay, then order by, after that we need to give according to which column or field name or attribute name we want to display the result, either in ascending order or in a descending order. Next, if you want to apply this order by class on multiple columns, we can give another column name by giving comma. Okay, so comma, field name or column name we need to mention, that is second column name we need to mention, and the column name need to be displayed in ascending or descending we need to mention with the help of these two keywords ASC or DESC. It will denotes the order, that is ASC, DESC, you know, the keywords will denotes the order. So AAC stands for what? AAC stands for ascending and DESC stands for descending order. That is from small to big, ascending order will display the values. From big to small, descending order will display all the values in the result set. If you are not specifying any order keyword AAC or DESC, then by default the order by class sorts the result set in which order? Ascending order. Okay. See here we can take this table, consider this table with 5 columns, that is roll number, attribute name or field names are roll number, name, marks, grade and section, and then here we have around 15 tuples. Okay, 15 tuples or 15 records we have here. Okay, and now the statement we are going to apply this MySQL. After that we are typing this select star from data, that means from table name data we are going to select all the field names, then order by marks. So based on the marks we need to order. So here we did not mention AAC keyword after this column name in order by class, or DESC also we did not specify. If we are not specifying any keyword like AAC or DESC, the data will get displayed, the result set will get displayed with marks based on the ascending order, arranged in the ascending order. So here we did not mention the AAC keyword explicitly. Okay, but in the next example if you see, so see here marks, based on the marks in ascending order from smallest value to largest value, the rows are going to be arranged here, sorted here. With the help of this roll number you can identify in the initial table every roll number in the order it is displayed. But if you see here order by marks, based on marks we have arranged this tuples or rows, so that it is mixed and displayed here according to marks. Okay, ascending order it is getting displayed. But the same ASC keyword, no, we can mention explicitly like this also in order to get the above result. Okay, even if you are not mentioning this ASC or DESC keyword, defaultly ASC ascending order only will be taken by this order by class. Okay. To order the result set on multiple columns. Till now we have seen on single column alone. Based on single column, how we can sort the values. Now we are going to see same result set we want to get on multiple, based on multiple columns. So for that we can specify the multiple column names in order by class along with the desired sorted order. So we need to mention the sorted order for each column name. So select start from data, order by, first based on the section we are going to display in ascending order. So first section wise it will display all the values. Okay, then marks based it will display next. Okay, so first everything is going to be displayed in the ascending order wise. Based on the section it is going to be grouped, and then marks wise every section under no marks wise it is displayed in the descending order. So first it will take the sort field section ASC, that is ascending order. Second it will take marks column name, field name, and it will arrange all the marks in the descending order. Okay, here we can see the result. In this result we have result as section wise. First it was sorted as ascending order, and marks based on that it is displayed in the descending order. So values and all displayed in the second field name, no, that is marks are going to be displayed in the descending order wise, that is big to small. So like that every section you can see here. First all section A is going to be displayed in the ascending order, and then B is displayed, and then C is displayed. Then in that B and B, in that A section, and then in the C section, everything is arranged in the descending order, that is big to small. You can check all the values. Okay, so according to that the values are going to be arranged in the result set. Sometimes we need to display the result of calculation or a mathematical expression in the result set. So in the result set we may include some mathematical expression also or some calculation also. So in that case how the order by class is going to help us. Okay, so the order by class allows us to include the mathematical expression to order the result set by it. So we will see example for that. To arrange a result on the basis of mathematical expression, we should preferably include the mathematical expression in the select list. So we need to include that expression, no, which expression we want to display as a result, no, that need to be included in the select list. That is select start from, like that we will give, no, select from. So in between select and from we need to mention in the select list that mathematical expression, so that it becomes easy to understand the result or comprehend the result. So we will see example for this. Based on the calculated result, select roll number, name, grade, section, and then marks is going to be displayed like this under the new column name marks star dot 35. That means marks is going to be multiplied by 0.35 from data table, where marks should be greater than 70. So whose marks and all greater than 70, only those persons marks are going to be displayed along with this column names, and that is going to be multiplied with 0.35. Okay, so we need to display the result set in order by section ASC, section wise ascending order, that is A, B, C, like that section wise it is arranged first, and then marks which is going to be multiplied, all the values which are placed under marks column name, no, going to be multiplied by 0.35. That too marks should be greater than 70, only those marks are multiplied by 0.35, and then it is displayed in the descending order. So here we will see the example. So only the marks whose marks and all greater than 70, no, greater than 70, around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 persons values, no, that is marks, no, are greater than 70. So only those persons marks, those students marks are going to be multiplied with 0.35, and it is going to be displayed in the descending order. So if you see here around 8 only. So 8 section names, that is AA, first it is displayed in ascending order in the section column wise, and then marks is going to be multiplied by 0.35, and then it is displayed in the descending order. So like that we can get the result. So next is, if we want we can provide a column alias name also to the mathematical expression. So in the previous case mark star 0.35 only we have mentioned here as a column name. So instead of this mark star 0.35 we can give alias name, that is alternative name for this expression also, mathematical expression. Okay, so you know what is meant by expression. any two variable or any two data, constant is going to be presented. It is displayed with the help of the operators. So combination of operators and operands only known as expression. Okay, so marks star is here operator, and then 0.35 is a constant value. So like that, variable constant or variable, if it is going to be represented with the help of operators, then that is called as expression. So this mathematical expression, we can for this mathematical expression we can give alternative name in the select list. So by using the following example, that is, see here, select roll number, name, grade, section, marks star 0.35 as. So this as word you need to mention term 1. So that means marks star the 0.35 is going to be displayed as term 1 in the result set. Okay, so where marks greater than 70, only this changes we are making here in the previous example in order to change this mathematical expression name as term 1. Okay, so whatever name here we have given, alias name, alternative name we have given for this mathematical expression, the same name should be displayed in the order by class in the descending order. So the same result we are getting with a small change, that is term 1 is going to be displayed instead of this mark star 0.35. So this is the difference between the previous example and this example. Next is specifying custom sort order. That means we can mention according to which values the result sheet need to display. So that we can mention specifically, okay, explicitly we can mention. So for that one function is used, that is field function is going to be used here. Okay, so we have column where we want to arrange the data as per our specified order. So we have column according to which column and according to which order that values need to be displayed, that we can mention here with the help of this order by class. For example, if there is a column called project that stores the status of the project made by the students. So under project column we have these kind of values, that is evaluated, submitted, pending, assigned. Like a section column under we have A, B, C, same like project column under we have evaluated, submitted, pending, assigned. Like this we are having the values of the student status of the project. Okay, so that in that order we need to display the values. Okay, so we will see example related to this order by class. If we want to arrange the result set on the basis of this project column as per this order, in this order we want to display the result. First evaluated need to be displayed, then pending need to be displayed, then submitted need to be displayed, then the values, the students, those who got project value as assigned, that is going to be displayed as the last rows. Okay, so for this we need to use the field function. So field, one function we are going to use like this. Okay, after order by class, select the field list and all you need to mention here, and then from which table that need to mention by you, and then order by, after that field function. See, parenthesis need to be used whenever we use the word function. So field function we need to use in the order by class. So under this field function, inside this field function we need to first mention the column name, that is project. Then we need to mention the values after comma. Okay, so after comma, evaluated need to be given within double quotes, pending, then double quotes, comma, submitted in double quotes, comma, assigned. So close the parenthesis and then semicolon. So like this we can give the we can specify the custom sort order. See here, select star from data, order by field, project, that is column name, and then evaluated within single quotes we have given the value evaluated first, and then pending, then comma, submitted, comma, assigned. So like that, like this we need to display the result. Okay, see here, initially the table is like this, pending, submitted, everything is mixed here. Okay, but here we are going to display based on the field project. So evaluated first it is going to be displayed, then pending and all going to be displayed next, then submitted and all, then assigned. So like this we can get the result for this query. Select star from data, order by field of project. So the sort field is for project, and then the values and all evaluated, pending, submitted, assigned, close the parenthesis and at the end semicolon. So like this we can give, the customer or user can give the desired sorted order. Okay, so according to that the values are displayed and the rows are going to be displayed here. So thank you. With this we will end up the today's session.